Hello everyone, and welcome back to Effective Communications. I'm Paul, and today we'll be diving into a game changer for those tense moments when conversations start heating up. You know, the ones, maybe a heated negotiation at work or a disagreement with a colleague that could spiral out of control. Well, what if I told you there's one simple phrase that can diffuse the tension, rebuild rapport, and keep things productive? Let's break it down. First off, why do conversations get tense in the first place? It's usually because emotions are running high and people feel unheard or attacked. That's where the phrase comes in. Help me understand your perspective on this. Sounds straightforward, right? But here's the magic. It's not about agreeing, it's about showing genuine curiosity. Psychologically, this shifts the dynamic from confrontation to collaboration, activating the other person to make them feel valued. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine you're in a sales meeting and the client pushes back hard on your proposal. Instead of defending yourself, say, "Help me understand your perspective on this." They open up about their concerns, you uncover hidden objectives, and now you're problem solving together. I've used this in negotiations, and it turns potential conflicts into opportunities for deeper trust. Here's a pro tip for you. Deliver it with open body language, just like I talked about in my last video. Lean in slightly, maintain eye contact, and pause after saying it. Remember the power of silence. I did a whole episode on it. Give them space to respond. Practice it a few times and see how it lowers defenses instantly. If you're dealing with tough talks in your leadership role or your daily interactions, try this phrase today and watch the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, then click that like button, subscribe for more advanced communication tips, and drop me a comment below. Tell me what's your go-to way to handle tense conversations. You can also check out my website. I'll put a link in the comments. I'll pin a comment. I'll see you in the next time. Communicate with clarity and confidence.